Hi everyone, welcome to Unbox TV. Today we are going to unbox an iPhone SE second generation. It was released on April 24, 2020, with a starting price of $399. The iPhone SE looks just exactly like the iPhone 8, front and back. Take off the classic wrap. Here's the charger and the earpiece. The earpiece is a lightning connector. Here's the charging cable and the data cable. As usual, Apple included a booklet with stickers. Although the screen size and the design is exactly like the iPhone 8, iPhone SE second generation has the newer A13 Bionic chips, just like the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro. Now I'm going to turn it on the first time. Here is the iPhone SE second generation. Thank you for watching.